Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm gonna talk about how to fix Dynasty Warriors Origin is having an issue with crashing. It is not launching, won't launch, freezing, stuttering, lagging, low FPS drop, stuck on loading screen, and even many more issues which is happening and how we can fix this up. So let's dive into the workaround. The first one is all about we have to start with a simple restart. So to do this, we just need to go over here in the start icon. Now from here, we have to go to the power icon and do a restart. Once a restart is done, we just need to try launch the game. That's what you have to do as the first one. Next one is all about what we need to do is we just need to launch the game from the installation folder, not from the Steam. So right now we are in the Steam. So launching the game from here will be affecting. So we need to launch it from the Steam. So just go over here, right click, go to the properties, go to the installer file, and make sure that the system is over here. As you can see, it is installed on E, which is around 24.73 GB. So just close everything over here. Now go to the file explorer. Now we need to go over here to this PC, go to local disk E. Now from here, navigate to Steam library, Steam apps, go to common. Now from here, we have to go over here to the just go over here and navigate to the game. That is actually the game is supposed to be over here. As you can see, Origin's demo. So just open this, and now from here, this is the application, and we need to launch the game from here. So instead of launching it from the Steam, we need to launch it from the installation folder, which helped many users, so we have to try this out. Next one is all about we need to run the game as an administrator, and we need to run it in the compatibility mode. So to run as an administrator, right click, and we need to go over here, go to show more options, go to the properties. Now from here, go to the compatibility, click on run this program in the compatibility mode, and we have to set this to Windows 7 or Windows 8. You can set this to anyone. Now go over here and click on run this program as an administrator, and go for apply and go for OK. Once it is successfully done, just close this, and we have to go back to the Steam once again, and you have to check. Next one is all about we need to delete the saved game file. So just go over here in the file explorer, and we have to go over here into the documents, and here you will be having the folders like Dead Space, My Games, Rockstar Gaming. So if you don't find the folder, just get into My Games, and here you will be having a separate folder, the game. So just delete the respective folder, and keep in mind when you do this, you will be losing all the progressions of the game, but that is fine. Just delete it and close this and go back and try launching the game. Next one is all about what we need to do is we just need to allow the game to Windows security. So just go over here, search for the control panel. We have to click on this one, and now from here, go to system and security, go to Windows Defender Firewall. Now go to allow an airport feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Now from here, we have to scroll down and navigate to B. So just scroll down, and over here you'll be able to find the game. So the Dynasty Warriors Origin is already added. So you have to make sure that you have to put a check on both the boxes, private and public. So if the game is not here, we need to add it by default. Just click on the change setting, go to allow another app, go to the browse. Now from here, go to this PC, go to local disk E, go to Steam library, Steam apps, go to common. Now from here, go to Dynasty Warriors, select this one, and we need to open, and we need to add it. I'm getting the error because I have already added. So once it is successfully added, just close everything, and we need to go back and try launching the game. Next one is all about we need to unplug all the USB devices. So if any external devices are connected, for example, joystick or keyboard or any other devices is connected, we just need to unplug it. Once everything is successfully unplugged, what we need to do is we just need to launch the game. Next one is all about what we need to do is we just need to perform a clean boot. So just go over here, search for system configuration, and we just need to click on this one, and we have to go over here and we need to click on the game services, go to disable all, go to hide all Microsoft services, go to apply and go for OK. Now do a restart. Once the restart is done, try launching the game. Next one is all about what we need to do is we just need to disable the Steam overlay. So just go over in the game, right click, go to the properties, and you can see enable the Steam overlay while in game. This is actually turn it on. We need to turn this off and try launching the game. Stay if you're having the trouble, just go over here and type these commands. And the first command is dx11. So we need to type the first command, that is dx11. If dx11 is not working, you have to start with dx12. If dx12 is not working, you have to start with b3, b2. You have to try either dx11, or you have to try dx12, or you have to try d3, d2. So these are the steps, and once everything is done, just close this and we have to try launching the game. Still, if you're having the trouble, what we need to do is we just need to close all the overlay and overclocking application. So just go over in the game, right click and go to the task manager. And right now, as you can see, there are a lot of things running in the background. And if we can check that actually 51 apps is running in the background. And all these things are actually affecting the performance of our computer when you're launching these kind of game. So if you scroll down, you can see that this code is one of the main reason, and Epic Games Launcher, which is unwanted thing, which is just running in the background, which is of no use, just remove it, go over here and go to the end task, do the same over here for this code as well. So remove all the unwanted things, and once afterwards, we have to try launching the game. Next one is all about what we need to do. We just need to increase the virtual memory. So just go over here and we need to search for View Advanced System Setting. So just search for View Advanced System Settings. We just need to search for View Advanced System Setting. Just click on this one and we have to go to the Advanced Settings, go to Advanced, go to the Change. Make sure this is blank and we have to select the local disk where the game is installed. And in my case, it is E. Go to the custom size, that is initial size and the maximum size. Initial size is 1.5 times the total RAM. So just go over here, we need to do a calculation. So first type your RAM, multiply it with 1024 and you have to multiply it with 1.5. Now I'll give you 24576, so copy this and we have to paste it. Make sure and go to the maximum size, 16 GB multiplied with 1024 and you have to multiply it with 3, that is 49152, and copy this and we have to paste it. So once every value is being set, just close this and try launching the game. Next one is all about what we need to do is we just need to run the game on dedicated graphics card. So just go over here, search for graphics settings, and we just need to click on this one and we need to go over here. So we need to add the game. So just click on add desktop app. Now we need to add the game. So just go to this PC, go to installation folder, Steam library, Steam apps, go to common. Now from here, go to the game and the application, just add it. And once it is added, this over here you can see Dynasty Warriors Origin is added. Just expand this. Make sure the GPU preferences should be changed into our high performance. And once it is saved into high performance, just close this and go back and try launching the game. Next one is all about what we need to do is we just need to update the Windows. Make sure the Windows is up to date. And also we need to update the graphics card. So I'll be providing a link in the description to this. So the GeForce should be selected if you're on the NVIDIA and if the configuration is based on GeForce. And just go over here. So if you're on the NVIDIA, just update it. So based on your configuration, you have to select. So mine is GeForce, I have to select this. GeForce 16 series, I have to select this one. And GeForce GTX 1650. And if you're on the Windows 11, select this one. And if you're on the English, select this one and go to Find. And now from here, what we need to do is we just need to update the Windows. Just need to go over here and the driver version is 566.36 and you have to download this one. And if you're on the latest version, as you can see that Microsoft C++, and if you're on the Microsoft C++, just go over here and download this one. And if you're on the x86, download this one and install. Restart is a mandatory and try launch the game. And also, even after trying with these steps, still if you're having the trouble, what we need to do is we just need to go over here, right click, and we need to go over to properties and make sure to install it file. And we have very important file, which is called verify integrity of game file. So just click on this one. So what happens is this will cross-check every single files of a game. And if any files are corrupted and if any files are missing and all these kind of issues will be fixed by this, which is going to take a bunch of time. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to wait this to get completed, and afterwards I'll be showing you a bunch of steps that can be done in order to fix the issue. Now, once done, we just need to close this. And as you can see, once files validated to be acquired, so we need to do some steps which I'll be showing you in the next video. And once the files are validated, you can try launching the game. And the last and the least step, we need to uninstall the game, go to the manage and uninstall the game, and we have to reinstall it back. But right now, the game is on local disk E, so we need to either try to D or C. That's what you need to do, and I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Any doubts can be asked in the comment sections, and also don't forget to visit our website gameserrors.com. That's it. Bye.